Okay, so hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a singles general love reading for all the singles Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising Sagittarius for the rest of the month of September 2025. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Don't try to force yourself to fit into the reading. If it is not resonating, honey, it's not for you. Sagittarius, the current energies regarding love and relationship area for you guys. We have the Seven of Swords, the Strength card, and the Judgment. Wow. So, Sagittarius, you are telling me that you are still suffering from the past betrayals, past nonsense. You have been betrayed so many times in your life that you can't trust anybody in your life, and that's holding you back from moving forward in your life, even if you want to. And you're trying your best to release these kind of negativity and toxicity and these kind of blockages from your life, from your system. It's taking you a lot of time, effort and energy, but you're trying your best to let go of everything that's stopping you from moving forward in this area of your life. So it's like one of those situations where you are one step forward and 10 step backwards, one step forward and then 10 steps backwards, because you are not able to trust the process, trust the divine, and trust yourself enough that you will be able to attract that kind of soulmate in your life that's going to be loyal and honest, and everything is going to be beautiful for you guys. You guys are not able to trust that. The good thing is you are aware that until unless you are going to work on this factor, you will not be able to move forward. You have to free yourself completely in order to connect with the next person, next energy, and you're working on it. The good thing is you're very aware of this factor. The not so good, you can say, is that it's taking a lot of time. Again, one step forward, 10 step backward energy is there for you guys. And because of maybe recent betrayal or drama or whatever happened behind your back, somebody betrayed you in a big way, you are not able to trust anyone, actually not even yourself. You're like, maybe I am going to do something stupid in the coming situation, so I should be aware and I should be just completely free from this factor, then I will see about it, think about it. Okay, yeah, you're not letting it sink into your subconscious, like, okay, this is the truth and reality. You are working on it, that's a good thing. You're working on the part of letting it go. Nice. And it's taking a lot of strength and courage, by the way, but you are doing it. Let's see your energies for a new connection, new person for this month, Sagittarius, September. We have the Temperance, the Three of Pentacles, the Death card. Okay. So there are chances that you are going to connect with somebody for some kind of collaboration, partnership. Might be it is some kind of work related situation that you are going to connect with. It's like slowly, very slowly and gently, things are moving forward in a collaboration, partnership, and then boom, one of you is going to take a step back, like it's not going anywhere. You are very cautiously working in a particular situation, and you feel like, okay, I should do that. Then let's say, I'm telling you, one step forward and 10 step backward. Like, let's say you are working with somebody, you started liking them, they started liking you, and you feel like, okay, let's do it gently and slowly, let's move forward in this direction, and let's see where things can go. For 2 3 days you did that, and like, let's say for example, on fourth or fifth day, you felt like, no, this person is not for me, this situation, this collaboration, this partnership is not happening. For whatever reason, you chose to let this go, you chose to not work on it anymore. It can happen from either side, from your side or from the person that you're collaborating. But something is working for a few days or for some time, and then it's going to fade away, or then one of you is going to be like, nope, not happening. Okay, maybe a third person is going to interfere, or your fear is going to be like on high alert, like because of entry of a third person or third energy here. Let's see the message from the romance angels for new people, new connection. Romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. See, if you feel like if you are having some kind of minor issues, or if you are having, or if you're operating from the fear only, then don't suppress the feelings. Okay, you can talk to this person and you can let them talk to you properly and honestly. You guys can talk about the situation properly, honestly. You guys can explore the situation because this have a potential. But again, if you feel like no, it's not worth it, I should not, then nobody can stop you. It's a free will kind of a thing. But this situation, these feelings that you have for this particular person or energy, you guys can explore it. It can go somewhere. Of course, loyalty and honesty is the for like important factor, most important factor here. So if you guys can communicate properly about your feelings, about your desires, this can go somewhere in a beautiful and positive way. Let's see, for a person that you might be still waiting for, past person, past energy, their energies towards you. We have the two of swords, the hermit, and the two of cups. They are definitely dealing with some other person, other energy also. Some other person might not be always a romantic person. It might be family, it might be financial issues, it can be anything. Some other person or other energy, that's not always a romantic third party. Please note that. So a past person is not sure, they are maybe silent or not communicating, like they're very communicating very less, and or they're not communicating at all with you. And they are not sure about the future direction of the situation, and they're trying to figure out whether they love you, whether they still have emotions for you, or the other energy, other person, or other situation that they're working on, they should move towards that. Hmm? So there is no clear cut indication of what they are wanting in this situation. It can happen from your side also. You might be very stressed out about the fact that you are not able to understand whether you still want a past person, past energy in your life or not. Especially when you are silent, when you are with yourself, you're not able to understand what you really want from a past person, past energy, because there's still a pull towards them. There is still attraction towards them, a feelings attached to them. Two of cups is a beautiful feeling of connection. So you might not be able to understand what you guys should do. It can be from either side, but things are not clear between you guys. Things are up in the air, and it's not moving forward. It's like nothing much is happening in this direction with this particular person that you're still waiting for, maybe. So okay, let's see the message from the romance angels for this past person, past energy for you guys, Sagis. We have separation. Time apart from your partner is on the horizon. You guys are already separated. You guys are obviously, that's why you are waiting for them, or that's why you guys are trying to figure it out. So this time apart for you guys, for both of you individually, is going to help you guys understand the other person's value in your life, in your individual lives. And that might help you guys to figure out whether you want it back, or you just want to let it go. But the time of separation is on the horizon, so I don't see a reconciliation or coming together, coming back together happening with the specific person that you are stuck on. There are lots of issues here that needs to be addressed first. Let's see the final guidance for you guys for this month. Nine of swords. The more you are going to create negative scenarios in your mind regarding this area of your life, the more it's going to be difficult for you to move forward. So most of the fears, most of the anxious thoughts, most of the restlessness that you're operating in is useless. You don't have to worry too much about this. There are certain issues going on. Definitely there are certain issues going on, but you are making them worse by thinking negative continuously about this situation, about this area of your life, and your overthinking is actually blocking you from being in the present moment, from enjoying your life to the fullest. So your overthinking is not helping you. If you are trying to control the outcomes, control each and everything in your life, it's not happening. It's stupidity. Hmm? So Sagittarius, instead of trying to control each and everything in your life and outcomes and everything, control your thoughts. because most of them are stupid. Most of them are never going to happen. It's just your mind playing tricks on you and games on you and trying to make you feel less worthy or unworthy or whatever you call it. It's just the mind. We have to trick the mind that you can do it, you deserve it, and you will be able to like get it. We are going to talk about it in depth someday. Let's see the final message from the Romance Angels cards for you guys for this month. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. A new person is going to enter in your life. I told you in the new connection thing that if it is possible for you guys to connect with this person and maybe not say I love you and I can't live without you, but you can go ahead and talk to them that I am interested in you, I want to know more about you, and if you guys can work on this, if you also feel the same for me, we can work on this together. So give it a shot. The new person, new energy. Course, you can work in the background with the factors, the things that are blocking you and stopping you. You can work on that. So if somebody is showing up in your energies, a new person, new connection, new situation, try to give it a shot with all of your heart and soul without like cutting it off completely out of your life, out of your system. Sometimes some kind of miscommunication or misunderstanding can also create some kind of issues. You guys can, you know think about it, the new situation. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Sajis. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.